Hi, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today's video is going to be about tips and tricks for succeeding in your pregnancy, whether you are trying right now and you just haven't succeeded as fast as you wanted to, or you're just you're just curious and you just want to find out how can I get pregnant fast. If you're trying and you just haven't been successful, well, I have the tricks, ticks, and ticks. I really suck at this. But I want to help. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so first let's get into it. My number one trick, or it's not really a trick, but number one huge help I think that worked helping me succeed as fast as I planned for my pregnancy was this amazing crystal called moonstone. It's really beautiful. It does reflect a moon. I did a lot of research on fast ways to, get pregnant, or crystals that help with fertility, and this was like the number one crystal. It is called moonstone. I will list it in the description below, but this crystal worked wonders. Like, I bought it from the crystal store, and what I did was I rubbed it on my tummy every single night, and I visualized having a baby in there and just happy thoughts. And then boom, within my time span, actually on my birthday, I found out that I was pregnant, but that will be another story for you guys. But this crystal was amazing. Thank you, moonstone. My second crystal that I actually highly recommend is rose quartz. I was saying love quartz. It is the crystal for love, and it also does help in fertility. It brings you just a different kind of energy, to love yourself, believe in yourself, and it gives you that stronger push. I would sleep in my bed and put this right next to me, and just hold it at night and put my intentions into it of getting pregnant. So these two crystal combination was absolute magic. It really fulfilled my dream, and I am proud. I'm about 5 months. I am 5 months pregnant now, but I'll share that story in upcoming videos. But these two crystals I highly recommend if you are trying to get pregnant, or you're planning on your pregnancy in the future, but definitely get these. Second, I would say if you're starting, and what is great is you can buy one of these. It's called with the camera's weird, but the early ovulation kit was also very helpful for me. Sorry, I had to burp. But basically it helps tell you when you're ovulating. Sometimes you're not that good at that calendar stuff, like I wasn't. So I would use that, and it would tell me, okay, this week is the perfect week for you to do it, and boom, I followed it. Sometimes I missed it, but with the help of my crystals and fate, the ovulation kit was a huge success. And my second one, the crystals first, and then my second advice, I don't have it. I thought I had it on me, but my husband must have misplaced it somewhere, or we must have threw it out. But it's called Pre-Speed. I bought it from Walmart, and oh my gosh, that worked. I think that was like the best thing ever. It worked like that. I actually, with my ovulation prediction, and I actually got pregnant on my birthday. It was just crazy. I have to tell you guys that story another time. But with my whole time span and my time scale, I used all of those ingredients together, and I am happily pregnant with my baby girl. So I will actually list the Pre-Speed kit down below. I got it from Walmart, and I think it was like $10 or $15. I'm not sure, but guys, it works wonderfully. Like, I can 99% guarantee that if you do use the Pre-Speed combined with these crystals, you're gonna have your baby. Literally. But check those out and let me know. But those are what I use and put my intentions, and I'm happy.